Hey, it's Jules. Let's make an ugly sweater today. It's 10:30.
Hey, yeah.
I got invited to an ugly sweater party tonight, and I don't have my sweater yet. So let's go to Goodwill and make the coolest, ugliest, but coolest Christmas party sweater ever. And let's have fun doing it. Oh, it's cool. So I have no idea what I'm going to do yet, but look at these t-shirts. What could I do with those? Okay, I think I'm done shopping. Let's see what I have here. I'm going to use this sweater, and then I'm going to get 4 different color greens to make some fringe in different colors of a Christmas tree coming down off of the sweater. I will cut out a star with this. Decorate my fringe tree with these little balls from this grab bag. Cool, let's go. Time to get back up the hill and get this started. It's 11:45 now. So I just got all the clothes out of the dryer. Now I'm gonna set it all up and get started. Let me get a little inspiration. Okay, so I set it up from the lightest and smallest color to the darkest and largest color at the bottom. I cut off the collar and the sleeves. Now I'm gluing the bottom layer down with a glue gun. I laid the collars out for direction. Seriously? I'm out of glue for the glue gun. Let's see if Elmer's will work. Please. Oh, no! Elmer's glue won't work either. Glue, round 3. I dug up my fabric glue, and it is working. But I lost precious time. That's okay. Let's keep going. So I'm putting down layers of fabric here for the fringe. I'm cutting different shapes, different lengths, and different patterns. I need to start cutting if I'm going to get to this party on time tonight. Ooh, okay, that's done. Now it's time to cut out the star for the top of the tree. Now I'm gluing on and tying on all the little ornaments onto the tree. Woo, I'm done. It looks so good. Yay! It's party time. Let's get going. Hey friends, thanks for joining me today. And don't forget to subscribe so you can become a better artist and have fun doing it. Bye!